Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to work through all of the tunes in Bad, the album by Michael Jackson. And I've already covered Bad on the channel before, but not the second song, The Way You Make Me Feel. The Way You Make Me Feel, now, when you Google it, you find it on Ultimate Guitar in the key of E and in F sharp. But on listening to it, it's one of those songs that's slightly detuned. In fact, so is Bad on the album as well. A lot of the tunes sort of slightly in between keys. I hear this one mostly in F. So I'm going to teach it to you how it sounds on the record, which is in F, to my ears. So you'd play F major down to E flat major, and that's most of the song. Most of the song is those two chords. I'm just playing the root notes in the bass, Fs and E flats, octaves.
Hey pretty baby with the high heels on, you give me fever like I've never ever known. You're just a product of loveliness. I like the groove of your walk, your tongue, your dress.
That's the first verse, right? We're going to go to the pre-chorus now. The pre-chorus is B flat to A flat. Alright?
I feel your fever from miles around, to pick you up in my car and leave the town.
And I realised I should have gone to C there. So
I pick you up in my car and leave the town.
it goes up to C halfway through that chorus. And we go back to F.
Just kiss me baby and tell me twice that you're the one for me. The way you're making me feel, the way you make me feel.
So we're just back to F and E flat.
You really turn me on. You knock me out from my feet now, baby. My lonely days are gone.
Alright. And we're going to go back into another verse, right? Verse 2.
I like the feeling you're giving me. Just hold me, baby, and I'm in ecstasy. Or I'll be working from 9 to 5 to buy you things to keep you by my side. I never felt so in love before.
This is actually like the pre-chorus.
Forevermore, I swear by keeping you satisfied. 'Cause you're the one for me. The way you're making me feel, the way you make me feel. You really turn me on, you really turn me on. Knock me off of my feet. My lonely days are gone. Ain't nobody's business, ain't nobody's business, ain't nobody's business, ain't nobody's business but mine and my baby.
Kind of hard to sing those offbeat rhythms there over the rhythm of the chords, but
Ain't nobody's business, ain't nobody's business, ain't nobody's business.
you can give it a go. The hard one is when he goes.
Ain't nobody's business but mine and my baby.
If you were performing this, I'd say that's one of the hardest parts, is to do that rhythm over this rhythm.
Ain't nobody's business but mine and my baby.
That's the syncopated even part of the song. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, and ba 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 ba. That's pretty cool. That's like a triplet thing, I think. But yeah, that was The Way You Make Me Feel. The next song on the list is Speed Demon, next one on the album. So I hope you like this one. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out this Roland FP-30X if you haven't got a piano and you're interested in getting a good one. You'll find the link in the description to it. I like this one. Had it a couple of years, pretty good. You'll find the other even gear that I use as well in the description, and a link to this also in the pinned comment. Check it out if you're interested. See you in the next one. Cheers.